Hi, Kim here. I just wanted to come by today to tell you how I got longer, thicker hair. And I just wanted to tell you the 4 steps that I use to get my hair longer and thicker. And today I have my hair pulled up, but it is longer. Take it down just so you can see how thick it is and how long it is. And this is after I cut it off right up to here a few months ago. And it's already growing back down. But I'm going to tell you about how I did that, and this is the second time that I've grown my hair out, and it's thickened and lengthened in no time. So the 4 steps that I use, the first step is that I only wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week, because if you wash your hair more, you're going to lose more of your hair when you take a shower. When you wash it, you lose hair. So obviously, if you shampoo and wash your hair more, you're going to lose more hair more often. So I suggest only washing your hair 2 to 3 times a week. And then in between shampoos, I do use a dry shampoo, and the dry shampoo I use is called Living Proof. This is it right here, and this Living Proof is around $25 on Amazon. And this is an advanced clean dry shampoo, and it actually cleans hair and softens and shines your hair. And it actually does have a little bit of a fragrance. It's not too strong, but if you don't like fragrance, this might be too much for you. But it isn't too strong. And I don't like fragrance, and I can live with this. So I do like the Living Proof Perfect Hair. So I would suggest using this in between shampoos or whatever dry shampoo you prefer. And then the next thing that I do is, once I've got my hair all shampooed and clean, and which I use the Nioxin system, and this is the number 4 system for color hair, and this works really great. This really helps to thicken and lengthen your hair. 7% of people I can't read that, feel like they had more hair after just 30 days. 86% believe their hair was strengthened against damage. So that was 86%, and 72% believe hair was thicker looking after just 2 weeks. And honestly, when I used it, I noticed a difference right away. But you do have to use this consistently to see a difference, and you'll especially see a difference in 4 to 6 weeks if you use this consistently. And this consists of a shampoo, root treatment, and a conditioner. And my shampoo is actually in the bathroom in the shower. But the shampoo looks just like a conditioner bottle. It comes in this big 10.1 fluid ounce bottle, so you get quite a bit. And then it comes with the root treatment, scalp and hair treatment. Comes in this bottle, so this is a good size bottle as well. And this Nioxin system is about $45 at Ulta. So you can get this at Ulta. The next thing that I would suggest that you use, that I use, is I take collagen supplements. And I take Nature's Truth Hydrolyzed Ultra Collagen C, Collagen Plus C, grass-fed peptides, 3,000 milligrams of collagen type 1 and 3, gives you gorgeous hair, skin, and nails. And this is 3,000 milligrams, and it says you can take 3 a day, but I just take 2 a day. And as you can see, it has helped my nails. Of course, it helps my hair tremendously. Between this and the Nioxin shampoo, it helps it tremendously. So I would suggest using the collagen, or you can use whatever brand you like, but this is a collagen that I use to get my hair longer and thicker. And again, this is Nature's Truth, and I think it was around $15 on Amazon as well. And then when my hair is dry and it's styled, I actually use this Bedhead TIGI Superstar Queen for a Day Thickening Spray. And what you do is you spray your roots with this. and it gives you thicker. It makes your hair look thicker. And what I do is just spray the roots. See how thick it already makes it look? I'll do this side. And again, that's the Bedhead TIGI. And it definitely works too. As you can see, it definitely thickens your hair up, makes it puff up more. So, and I will post a couple of photos on here of when my hair was at its longest, and I'll post a picture of when my hair was at its shortest. And from the time it was shortest to it was longest, it only took 1.5 years, maybe, if that, to grow it that long. But I will put those pictures up so you can see those pictures. And that's the 4 things that I suggest: is to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week, take a collagen supplement, use the Nioxin hair system, and use Bedhead TIGI, and use that when you're styling your hair. If you want to make your hair look thicker, you can use that when you style it. But those are the 4 suggestions I have. That's what made my hair grow longer and thicker in no time. So, you know, what works for me may not work for you, but I'm just telling you that that's what works for me. And so that's just something I suggest that you can try to see if it works for you as well as it did for me. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions at all, just message me over on my Facebook page, Glitter and Sparkle by Kim. And like I said, you can message me or email me, either one. And I thank you for watching today, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye.